Folks, today we're making some bacon carbonara ravioli with chicken and shrimp. Now this is a super duper easy recipe. I am not even going to add this to my website. You're just going to watch it as I make it and you're going to be able to do the same thing. So first I'm using a all-purpose seasoning, that's Spanish asadero, the polo asado, to add to my chicken. I've sliced up some chicken tenderloins and I'm going to also add some Italian seasoning. You can also use chicken breasts, chicken thighs, but I'm using some chicken tenderloins that I have sliced up. So I'm going to mix that seasoning together and I'm going to add it to a pan with some olive oil and I'm going to saute it until it's done. The next thing I'm going to do is get some butter and some minced garlic together. That's about 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, as well as some green peppers. I also have some shrimp that's already been peeled in the vein. I've rinsed those off and I patted them dry and I'm adding the seafood seasoning. You can add some Old Bay or some Cajun seasoning. You just want to have some type of like seafood flavor on your shrimp. And you're going to saute those for about 7 to 10 minutes, just long enough to get brown. The next thing I'm going to be adding is 1 teaspoon of each of these: black pepper, crushed red pepper, onion and garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and not on the screen was some chicken bouillon. I'm also going to be adding 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of sun-dried tomatoes. This is just basically the base of this sauce. So once you add that whipping cream into the pan, you're going to simmer that for approximately 10 minutes on a medium-low. You're just going to allow that sauce to get thickened up. The next thing I'm going to be doing is adding the chicken breast or the chicken tenderloins that I had made. So if you're using chicken breast, if you're using chicken tenderloins, if you're using chicken thighs, just add that to the cream mixture and you're going to let that simmer. While that is happening, I am getting my pot ready. I have some boiling water that is getting prepped for my bacon carbonara ravioli. Now, I've purchased this from Sam's Club. You probably can also find this at Walmart. You're only gonna boil this for approximately 7 minutes. You basically want that ravioli to rise up to the top of the pot. Once it's ready, you're just gonna add that to your sauce. And again, simmer it probably for like about 5 more minutes, just to allow that sauce to get on there. You're going to stir this up. Also add you some Parmesan cheese. You can use the canned Parmesan cheese, or you can use some fresh Parmesan cheese, or maybe some Asiago cheese. You're just going to pour that all over your pasta. Top it off maybe with some more red pepper flakes, some parsley flakes, and you're done. So friends, I hope you liked what I cooked in the kitchen today. If you are a follower of any of my accounts, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, my name is Angela and this is my account Plus Size in Chicago, where I make a lot of easy to cook comfort food meals. Be sure to subscribe and follow me. Also leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys next time.